Now, we'll be talking about business. I'm sure all of us have started a business already. So what we'll be training about is how to manage business, how to grow the business, and how to improve on the business. So that at least in the next 1, 2, 3 years, when you look back, you know that okay, something good has happened to this business. I'm taking it from where it was in December 2023. By December 2024, 2025, the business is now here. That's the whole idea. Training we were there. So because our special cafe context, we run business with that. And when we run was actually way, we come on. So your man must see it. So if you not go out, you come you know she was so you're something on the motor. Now don't say what she was, what she love business training. Gbogbo tó ní lọ fún business rẹ so bí ọ̀nà ẹni tí gbọ̀ngàn béèrè ó fẹ́ kàkẹ́tù kan lẹ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ àti bá tọ́ lẹ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ lẹ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ á dúró sí bírèkì that's why we like look at this also by stage. Okay, so but we'll be treating different of it. I'm going to start my treat just a moment. We're talking about customer service, basic accounting, growth plan, human resource management, legal and regulatory activities, then managing your operations, marketing management, then strategy development. So we'll be taking like 3 every day. All right. Now, December 2023, ọjọ́ mélòó la máa fi dé la máa fi wọ 2024. Èyí ni kí ni? Èyí ni 13. So for like 17 days àbí 18 days. So 18 days is about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Now, mo fẹ́ bèrè question nínú gbogbo wa ta ló ti plan for 2024 níbí? Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ẹ̀kọ́ sókè. Pé 2024 tá a kúrò ní ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì àtàbọ̀ níwájú yìí, mo ti ní plan fún 2024 mo ti jókòó yìí. Ta ló ti ṣe yẹn? Alright. So, one of the first things ní màá sọ fún mi ni pé as business owners, ẹ má jẹ́ ká máa rán òyìn máa ṣe kí ni? Ok, ta ló mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ní budget fún 2024 níbí? Nigeria ní budget for 2024. Okay, so budget 2024, she wants to present at my house. What is it presented? Sure. Now do we present it? Okay, I don't want to present it. So I don't want to present it. I need to present it. Hey, you're not waiting to do that. Yóò ẹni tí ti bá sọ pé ó ṣe pé mo fẹ́ fi wúyí o mo ń ṣàkà sí kí ọkàn jáde ó ti lé ó ti bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ́sọ̀n mi ẹ má fi ìpè ẹ má fi ọ̀fẹ́tẹ̀. Now every country always has a budget for the next year. Most times those budgets they would have started preparing the budget months before December. Because the business is to your business plan. How should I do it? At least I need like 40, 50 pages. Because I break everything. This is where mission and vision, product and services.
Ọlábísí Sanni báwo wà mí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Ibrahim Ọlárẹ̀wájú ti lọ yàrá àgbàjá àti àyẹ̀lú akẹ́mi ẹ̀tù ìyọjú
báyìí náà pé àtàárọ̀ láti mọ̀ bí tó ti Sátidé bá máa dá Jímọ̀ láti máa mọ̀ ọ̀tá àwọn sọ̀rọ̀. So